Surah, number 11, of Quran Majeed. Hud.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
ألف لام را كتاب أحكمت آياته ثم فصلت من لدن حكيم خبير.
Alif, Lam Ra. This is a book whose signs have been made definitive and then elaborated, from one who is all-wise, all-aware.
ألا تعبدوا إلا الله إنني لكم منه نذير وبشير.
Declaring, worship no one but Allah. I am indeed a warner to you from him and a bearer of good news.
وأن استغفروا ربكم ثم توبوا إليه يمتعكم متاعا حسنا إلى أجل مسمى ويؤت كل ذي فضل فضله وإن تولوا فإني أخاف عليكم عذاب يوم كبير.
Plead with your Lord for forgiveness, then turn to him penitently. He will provide you with a good provision for a specified term and grant his grace to every meritorious person. But if you turn your backs on him, indeed I fear for you the punishment of a terrible day.
إلى الله مرجعكم وهو على كل شيء قدير.
To Allah will be your return, and he has power over all things.
ألا إنهم يثنون صدورهم ليستخفوا منه ألا حين يستغشون ثيابهم يعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Look, they fold up their breasts to hide their secret feelings from him. Look, when they draw their cloaks over their heads, he knows whatever they keep secret and whatever they disclose. Indeed, he knows best whatever is in the breast.
وما من دابة في الأرض إلا على الله رزقها ويعلم مستقرها ومستودعها كل في كتاب مبين.
There is no animal on the earth, but that its sustenance lies with Allah, and he knows its enduring abode and its temporary place of lodging. Everything is in a manifest book.
وهو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام وكان عرشه على الماء ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا ولئن قلت إنكم مبعوثون من بعد الموت ليقولن الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
It is he who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and his throne was then upon the waters, that he may test you, to see which of you is best in conduct. Yet if you say, you will indeed be raised up after death, the faithless will surely say, This is nothing but plain magic.
وَلَئِنْ أَخَّرْنَا عَنْهُمُ الْعَذَابَ إِلَىٰ أُمَّةٍ مَّعْدُودَةٍ لَّيَقُولُنَّ مَا يَحْبِسُهُ أَلَا يَوْمَ يَأْتِيهِمْ لَيْسَ مَصْرُوفًا عَنْهُمْ وَحَاقَ بِهِم مَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
And if we defer their punishment until a certain time, they will surely say, what holds it back? Look! On the day it overtakes them it shall not be turned away from them, and they will be besieged by what they used to deride.
وَلَئِنْ أَذَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنَّا رَحْمَةً ثُمَّ نَزَعْنَاهَا مِنْهُ إِنَّهُ لَيَئُوسٌ كَفُورٌ.
If we let man taste a mercy from us, and then withdraw it from him, he becomes despondent, ungrateful.
وَلَئِنْ أَذَقْنَاهُ نَعْمَاءَ بَعْدَ ضَرَّاءَ مَسَّتْهُ لَيَقُولَنَّ ذَهَبَ السَّيِّئَاتُ عَنِّي إِنَّهُ لَفَرِحٌ فَخُورٌ.
And if we let him have a taste of our blessings after adversities have befallen him, he will surely say, all ills have left me. Indeed, he becomes a vain braggart.
إِلَّا الَّذِينَ صَبَرُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ أُولَئِكَ لَهُم مَّغْفِرَةٌ وَأَجْرٌ كَبِيرٌ.
Excepting those who are patient and do righteous deeds. For such there will be forgiveness and a great reward.
فَلَعَلَّكَ تَارِكٌ بَعْضَ مَا يُوحَىٰ إِلَيْكَ وَضَائِقٌ بِهِ صَدْرُكَ أَن يَقُولُوا لَوْلَا أُنزِلَ عَلَيْهِ كَنزٌ أَوْ جَاءَ مَعَهُ مَلَكٌ إِنَّمَا أَنتَ نَذِيرٌ وَاللَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ وَكِيلٌ.
Look out, lest you should disregard aught of what has been revealed to you, and be upset because they say, why has not a treasure been sent down to him, or, why does not an angel accompany him? You are only a warner, and Allah watches over all things.
أَمْ يَقُولُونَ افْتَرَاهُ قُلْ فَأْتُوا بِعَشْرِ سُوَرٍ مِثْلِهِ مُفْتَرَيَاتٍ وَادْعُوا مَنِ اسْتَطَعْتُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
Do they say, he has fabricated it? Say, then bring 10 surahs like it, fabricated, and invoke whomever you can, besides Allah, should you be truthful.
فَإِن لَّمْ يَسْتَجِيبُوا لَكُمْ فَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّمَا أُنزِلَ بِعِلْمِ اللَّهِ وَأَن لَّا إِلَٰهَ إِلَّا هُوَ فَهَلْ أَنتُم مُّسْلِمُونَ.
But if they do not respond to you, know that it has been sent down by Allah's knowledge, and that there is no God except Him. Will you, then, submit to Allah?
من كان يريد الحياة الدنيا وزينتها نوفِ إليهم أعمالهم فيها وهم فيها لا يبخسون.
As for those who desire the life of this world and its glitter, we will recompense them fully for their works therein, and they shall not be underpaid in it.
أولئك الذين ليس لهم في الآخرة إلا النار وحبط ما صنعوا فيها وباطل ما كانوا يعملون.
They are the ones for whom there shall be nothing in the hereafter but fire. What they had accomplished in the world has failed, and their works have come to naught.
أفمن كان على بينة من ربه ويتلوه شاهد منه ومن قبله كتاب موسى إماما ورحمة أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به من الأحزاب فالنار موعده فلا تك في مرية منه إنه الحق من ربك ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون.
Is he who stands on a manifest proof from his Lord, and whom the witness of his own family follows? And before him there was the book of Moses, a guide and mercy. It is they who have faith in it, and whoever defies him from among the factions, the fire is their tryst. So do not be in doubt about it, it is the truth from your Lord, but most people do not have faith.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أولئك يعرضون على ربهم ويقول الأشهاد هؤلاء الذين كذبوا على ربهم ألا لعنة الله على الظالمين.
Who is a greater wrongdoer than him who fabricates a lie against Allah? Such shall be presented before their Lord, and the witnesses will say, it is these who lied against their Lord. Behold, the curse of Allah is upon the wrongdoers.
الذين يصدون عن سبيل الله ويبغونها عوجا وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
Those who bar others from the way of Allah, and seek to make it crooked, and disbelieve in the hereafter.
أولئك لم يكونوا معجزين في الأرض وما كان لهم من دون الله من أولياء يضاعف لهم العذاب ما كانوا يستطيعون السمع وما كانوا يبصرون.
They cannot frustrate Allah on the earth, nor do they have besides Allah any guardian. For them the punishment shall be doubled, for they could neither listen, nor did they use to see.
أولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
They are the ones who have ruined their souls, and what they used to fabricate has forsaken them.
لا جرم أنهم في الآخرة هم الأخسرون.
Undoubtedly, they are the ones who will be the biggest losers in the hereafter.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وأخبتوا إلى ربهم أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون.
Indeed those who have faith and do righteous deeds and are humble before their Lord, they shall be the inhabitants of paradise, and they shall remain in it forever.
مثل الفريقين كالأعمى والأصم والبصير والسميع هل يستويان مثلا أفلا تذكرون.
The parable of the two parties is that of one who is blind and deaf and one who sees and hears. Are they equal in comparison? Will you not then take admonition?
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَى قَوْمِهِ إِنِّي لَكُمْ نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ.
Certainly we sent Noah to his people, to declare, indeed I am a manifest warner to you.
أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا اللَّهَ إِنِّي أخاف عليكم عذاب يوم أليم.
Worship none but Allah. Indeed I fear for you the punishment of a painful day.
فقال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه ما نراك إلا بشرا مثلنا وما نراك اتبعك إلا الذين هم أراذلنا بادي الرأي وما نرى لكم علينا من فضل بل نظنكم كاذبين.
But the elite of the faithless from among his people said, we do not see you to be anything but a human being like ourselves, and we do not see anyone following you except those who are simple-minded riffraff from our midst. Nor do we see that you have any merit over us. Indeed, we consider you to be liars.
قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي وآتاني رحمة من عنده فعميت عليكم أنلزمكموها وأنتم لها كارهون.
He said, O my people, tell me, should I stand on a manifest proof from my Lord, and he has granted me his own mercy, though it should be invisible to you, shall we force it upon you while you are averse to it?
وَيَا قَوْمِ لَا أَسْأَلُكُمْ عَلَيْهِ مَالًا إِنْ أَجْرِيَ إِلَّا عَلَى اللَّهِ وَمَا أَنَا بِطَارِدِ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا إِنَّهُمْ مُلَاقُو رَبِّهِمْ وَلَكِنِّي أَرَاكُمْ قَوْمًا تَجْهَلُونَ.
O my people, I do not ask you any material reward for it. My reward lies only with Allah. But I will not drive away those who have faith. They will indeed encounter their Lord. But I see that you are an ignorant lot.
وَيَا قَوْمِ مَنْ يَنْصُرُنِي مِنَ اللَّهِ إِنْ طَرَدتُّهُمْ أَفَلَا تَذَكَّرُونَ.
O my people, who would come to my help against Allah were I to drive them away? Will you not then take admonition?
وَلَا أَقُولُ لَكُمْ عِنْدِي خَزَائِنُ اللَّهِ وَلَا أَعْلَمُ الْغَيْبَ وَلَا أَقُولُ إِنِّي مَلَكٌ وَلَا أَقُولُ لِلَّذِينَ تَزْدَرِي أَعْيُنُكُمْ لَنْ يُؤْتِيَهُمُ اللَّهُ خَيْرًا الله أعلم بما في أنفسهم إني إذا لمن الظالمين.
I do not say to you that I possess the treasuries of Allah, neither do I know the unseen. I do not claim to be an angel, neither do I say of those who are despicable in your eyes that Allah will not grant them any good. Allah knows best what is in their hearts, for then I would indeed be a wrongdoer.
قالوا يا نوح قد جادلتنا فأكثرت جدالنا فأتنا بما تعدنا إن كنت من الصادقين.
They said, O Noah, you have disputed with us already, and you have disputed with us exceedingly. Now bring us what you threaten us with, should you be truthful.
قال إنما يأتيكم به الله إن شاء وما أنتم بمعجزين.
He said, Allah will indeed bring it on you if He wishes, and you cannot frustrate Him.
ولا ينفعكم نصحي إن أردت أن أنصح لكم إن كان الله يريد أن يغويكم هو ربكم وإليه ترجعون.
My exhorting will not benefit you, much as I may seek to exhort you, if Allah desires to consign you to perversity. He is your Lord, and to Him you shall be brought back.
أم يقولون افتراه قل إن افتريته فعلي إجرامي وأنا بريء مما تجرمون.
Do they say, He has fabricated it? Say, should I have fabricated it, then my guilt will be upon me, and I am absolved of your guilty conduct.
وأوحي إلى نوح أنه لن يؤمن من قومك إلا من قد آمن فلا تبتئس بما كانوا يفعلون.
It was revealed to Noah, none of your people will believe except those who already have faith, so do not sorrow for what they used to do.
واصنع الفلك بأعيننا ووحينا ولا تخاطبني في الذين ظلموا إنهم مغرقون.
Build the ark before our eyes and by our revelation, and do not plead with me for those who are wrongdoers. They shall indeed be drowned.
ويصنع الفلك وكلما مر عليه ملأ من قومه سخروا منه قال إن تسخروا منا فإنا نسخر منكم كما تسخرون.
As he was building the ark, whenever the elders of his people passed by him, they would ridicule him. He said, if you ridicule us today, we shall ridicule you tomorrow, just as you ridicule us now.
فسوف تعلمون من يأتيه عذاب يخزيه ويحل عليه عذاب مقيم.
Soon you will know whom a disgraceful punishment will overtake and on whom a lasting punishment will descend.
حتى إذا جاء أمرنا وفارت النور قل نحمل فيها من كل زوجين اثنين قل نحمل فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول وما آمن معه إلا قليل.
When our edict came and the oven gushed, a stream of water, we said, carry in it a pair of every kind of animal, along with your family, except those of them against whom the edict has already been given, and those who have faith. And none believed with him except a few.
وقال اركبوا فيها بسم الله مجريها ومرساها إن ربي لغفور رحيم.
He said, board it. In the name of Allah it shall set sail and cast anchor. Indeed my Lord is all forgiving, all merciful.
وهي تجري بهم في موج كالجبال ونادى نوح ابنه وكان في معزل يا بني اركب معنا ولا تكن مع الكافرين.
And it sailed along with them amid waves, rising, like mountains. Noah called out to his son, who stood aloof, O my son, board with us, and do not be with the faithless.
قال سآوي إلى جبل يعصمني من الماء قال لا عاصم اليوم من أمر الله إلا من رحم وحال بينهما الموج فكان من المغرقين.
He said, I shall take refuge on a mountain, it will protect me from the flood. He said, there is none today who can protect from Allah's edict, except someone upon whom He has mercy. Then the waves came between them, and he was among those who were drowned.
وقيل يا أرض ابلعي ماءك ويا سماء أقلعي وغيض الماء وقضي الأمر واستوت على الجودي وقيل بعدا للقوم الظالمين.
Then it was said, O earth, swallow your water. O sky, leave off. The waters receded, the edict was carried out, and it settled on Mount Judy. Then it was said, away with the wrongdoing lot.
ونادى نوح ربه فقال رب إن ابني من أهلي وإن وعدك الحق وأنت أحكم الحاكمين.
Noah called out to his Lord, and said, My Lord, my son is indeed from my family. Your promise is indeed true, and you are the fairest of all judges.
قال يا نوح إنه ليس من أهلك إنه عمل غير صالح فلا تسألني ما ليس لك به علم إني أعظك أن تكون من الجاهلين.
Said he, O Noah, indeed, he is not of your family. Indeed, he is personification of unrighteous conduct. So do not ask me something of which you have no knowledge. I advise you lest you should be among the ignorant.
قال رب إني أعوذ بك أن أسألك ما ليس لي به علم وإلا تغفر لي وترحمني أكن من الخاسرين.
He said, My Lord, I seek your protection lest I should ask you something of which I have no knowledge. If you do not forgive me and have mercy upon me, I shall be among the losers.
قيل يا نوح اهبط بسلام منا وبركات عليك وعلى أمم ممن معك وأمم سنمتعهم ثم يمسهم منا عذاب أليم.
It was said, O Noah, disembark in peace from us and with our blessings upon you and upon nations, to descend from those who are with you, and nations whom we shall provide for, then a painful punishment from us shall befall them.
تلك من أنباء الغيب نوحيها إليك ما كنت تعلمها أنت ولا قومك من قبل هذا فاصبر إن العاقبة للمتقين.
These are accounts of the unseen, which we revealed to you. Neither you nor your people used to know them before this. So be patient. Indeed, the outcome will be in favor of the God-weary.
وإلى عاد أخاهم هودا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره إن أنتم إلا مفترون.
And to Ad, we sent Hud, their brother. He said, O my people, worship Allah. You have no other God besides him, you merely fabricate the deities that you worship.
يا قوم لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن أجري إلا على الذي فطرني أفلا تعقلون.
O my people, I do not ask you any reward for it. My reward lies only with him who originated me. Do you not exercise your reason?
ويا قوم استغفروا ربكم ثم توبوا إليه يرسل السماء عليكم مدرارا ويزدكم قوة إلى قوتكم ولا تتولوا مجرمين.
O my people, plead with your Lord for forgiveness, then turn to him penitently. He will send copious rains for you from the sky, and add power to your present power. So do not turn your backs on him as guilty ones.
قالوا يا هود ما جئتنا ببينة وما نحن بتاركي آلهتنا عن قولك وما نحن لك بمؤمنين.
They said, O Hud, you have not brought us any manifest proof. We are not going to abandon our gods for what you say, and we are not going to believe you.
إن نقول إلا اعتراك بعض آلهتنا بسوء قال إني أشهد الله واشهدوا أني بريء مما تشركون.
All we say is that some of our gods have visited you with some evil. He said, I call Allah to witness, and you too be my witnesses, that I repudiate what you take as his partners.
من دونه فكيدوني جميعا ثم لا تنظرون.
Besides him, now try out your stratagems against me, together, without granting me any respite.
إني توكلت على الله ربي وربكم ما من دابة إلا هو آخذ بناصيتها إن ربي على صراط مستقيم.
Indeed, I have put my trust in Allah, my Lord and your Lord. There is no living being but He holds it by its forelock. Indeed, my Lord is on a straight path.
فإن تولوا فقد أبلغتكم ما أرسلت به إليكم ويستخلف ربي قوما غيركم ولا تضرونه شيئا إن ربي على كل شيء حفيظ.
But if you turn your backs on me, then know that I have communicated to you whatever I was sent to you with. My Lord will make another people succeed you, and you will not hurt Allah in the least. Indeed, my Lord is watchful over all things.
ولما جاء أمرنا نجينا هودا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا ونجيناهم من عذاب غليظ.
When our edict came, we delivered Hud, and the faithful who were with him, by a mercy from us, and we delivered them from a harsh punishment.
وتلك عاد جحدوا بآيات ربهم وعصوا رسله واتبعوا أمر كل جبار عنيد.
Such were the people of Ad. They impugned the signs of their Lord and disobeyed his apostles, and followed the dictates of every obstinate tyrant.
وَأُتْبِعُوا فِي هَذِهِ الدُّنْيَا لَعْنَةً وَيَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ أَلَا إِنَّ عَادًا كَفَرُوا رَبَّهُمْ أَلَا بُعْدًا لِعَادٍ قَوْمِ هُودٍ.
So they were pursued by a curse in this world and on the day of resurrection. Behold, Ad indeed defied their Lord. Now, away with Ad, the people of Hud.
وَإِلَى ثَمُودَ أَخَاهُمْ صَالِحًا قَالَ يَا قَوْمِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ مَا لَكُمْ مِنْ إِلَٰهٍ غَيْرُهُ هُوَ أَنشَأَكُم مِّنَ الْأَرْضِ وَاسْتَعْمَرَكُمْ فِيهَا فَاسْتَغْفِرُوهُ ثُمَّ تُوبُوا إِلَيْهِ إِنَّ رَبِّي قَرِيبٌ مُّجِيبٌ.
And to Tammud, we sent Salih, their brother. He said, O my people, worship Allah. You have no other God besides Him. He brought you forth from the earth and made it your habitation. So plead with Him for forgiveness, then turn to Him penitently. My Lord is indeed nearmost, and responsive.
قالوا يا صالح قد كنت فينا مرجوا قبل هذا أتنهانا أن نعبد ما يعبد آباؤنا وإننا لفي شك مما تدعونا إليه مريب.
They said, O Salih, you were a source of hope to us before this. Do you forbid us to worship what our fathers have been worshipping? Indeed we have grave doubts concerning that to which you invite us.
قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي وآتاني منه رحمة فمن ينصرني من الله إن عصيته فما تزيدونني غير تخسير.
He said, O my people, tell me, should I stand on a manifest proof from my Lord, and he has granted me his own mercy, who will protect me from Allah should I disobey him? For then you will increase me in nothing but loss.
ويا قوم هذه ناقة الله لكم آية فذروها تأكل في أرض الله ولا تمسوها بسوء فيأخذكم عذاب قريب.
O my people! This she-camel of Allah is a sign for you. Let her graze freely in Allah's land, and do not cause her any harm, for then you shall be seized by a prompt punishment.
فعقروها فقال تمتعوا في داركم 3 أيام ذلك وعد غير مكذوب.
But they hamstrung her, whereupon he said, enjoy yourselves in your homes for 3 days, that is a promise not to be belied.
فلما جاء أمرنا نجينا صالحا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا ومن خزي يومئذ إن ربك هو القوي العزيز.
So when our edict came, we delivered Salih and the faithful who were with him by a mercy from us and from their punishment and disgrace of that day. Your Lord is indeed the All-Strong, the Almighty.
وأخذ الذين ظلموا الصيحة فأصبحوا في ديارهم جاثمين.
The cry seized those who were wrongdoers, and they lay lifeless prostrate in their homes.
كأن لم يغنوا فيها ألا إن ثمود كفروا ربهم ألا بعدا لثمود.
As if they had never lived there. Behold, Thamud indeed defied their Lord. Now, away with Thamud.
ولقد جاءت رسلنا إبراهيم بالبشرى قالوا سلاما قال سلام فما لبث أن جاء بعجل حنيذ.
Certainly our messengers came to Abraham with the good news, and said, Peace. Peace. He replied. Presently he brought for them a roasted calf.
فلما رأى أيديهم لا تصل إليه نكرهم وأوجس منهم خيفة قالوا لا تخف إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم لوط.
But when he saw their hands not reaching for it, he took them amiss and felt a fear of them. They said, Do not be afraid. We have been sent to the people of Lut.
وامرأته قائمة فضحكت فبشرناها بإسحاق ومن وراء إسحاق يعقوب.
His wife, standing by, laughed as we gave her the good news of the birth of Ishaq and of Jacob after Ishaq.
قالت يا ويلتى أألد وأنا عجوز وهذا بعلي شيخا إن هذا لشيء عجيب.
She said, "Oh, my! Shall I, an old woman, bear children, and, while this husband of mine is an old man? That is indeed an odd thing."
قالوا أتعجبين من أمر الله رحمة الله وبركاته عليكم أهل البيت إنه حميد مجيد.
They said, "Are you amazed at Allah's dispensation? That is, Allah's mercy and His blessings upon you, members of the household. Indeed He is all laudable, all glorious."
فلما ذهب عن إبراهيم الروع وجاءته البشرى يجادلنا في قوم لوط.
So when the awe had left Abraham and the good news had reached him, he pleaded with us concerning the people of Lut.
إن إبراهيم لحليم أواه منيب.
Abraham was indeed most forbearing, plaintive, and penitent.
يا إبراهيم أعرض عن هذا إنه قد جاء أمر ربك وإنهم آتيهم عذاب غير مردود.
O Abraham, let this matter alone. Your Lord's edict has certainly come, and an irrevocable punishment shall overtake them.
ولما جاءت رسلنا لوطا سيء بهم وضاق بهم ذرعا وقال هذا يوم عصيب.
When our messengers came to Lut, he was distressed on their account and in a predicament for their sake, and he said, "This is a terrible day."
وجاءه قومه يهرعون إليه ومن قبل كانوا يعملون السيئات قال يا قوم هؤلاء بناتي هن أطهر لكم فاتقوا الله ولا تخزون في ضيفي أليس منكم رجل رشيد.
Then his people came running toward him, and they had been committing vices aforetime. He said, "O my people, these are my daughters, they are purer for you. Be wary of Allah and do not humiliate me with regard to my guest. Is there not a right-minded man among you?"
قالوا لقد علمت ما لنا في بناتك من حق وإنك لتعلم ما نريد.
They said, "You certainly know that we have no interest in your daughters, and indeed you know what we want."
قال لو أن لي بكم قوة أو آوي إلى ركن شديد.
He said, If only I had the power to deter you, or could take refuge in a mighty support.
قالوا يا لوط إنا رسل ربك لن يصلوا إليك فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل ولا يلتفت منكم أحد إلا امرأتك إنه مصيبها ما أصابهم إن موعدهم الصبح أليس الصبح بقريب.
They said, O Lut, we are messengers of your Lord. They will never get at you. Set out with your family in a watch of the night, and none of you shall turn round, except your wife. Indeed she will be struck by what strikes them. Indeed their tryst is the dawn. Is not the dawn already near?
فلما جاء أمرنا جعلنا عاليها سافلها وأمطرنا عليها حجارة من سجيل منضود.
So when our edict came, we made its topmost part its nethermost, and we rained on it stones of lamina shale.
مسومة عند ربك وما هي من الظالمين ببعيد.
Sent in from your Lord, for the profligate, never far from the wrongdoers.
وإلى مدين أخاهم شعيبا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره ولا تنقصوا المكيال والميزان إني أراكم بخير وإني أخاف عليكم عذاب يوم محيط.
And to Midian, we sent Shu'aib, their brother. He said, O my people, worship Allah. You have no other God besides Him. Do not diminish the measure or the balance. Indeed I see that you are faring well, but I fear for you the punishment of an all-embracing day.
ويا قوم أوفوا المكيال والميزان بالقسط ولا تبخسوا الناس أشياءهم ولا تعثوا في الأرض مفسدين.
O my people, observe fully the measure and the balance, with justice, and do not cheat the people of their goods, and do not act wickedly on the earth, causing corruption.
بقية الله خير لكم إن كنتم مؤمنين وما أنا عليكم بحفيظ.
What remains of Allah's provision is better for you, should you be faithful, and I am not a keeper over you.
قالوا يا شعيب أصلاتك تأمرك أن نترك ما يعبد آباؤنا أو أن نفعل في أموالنا ما نشاء إنك لأنت الحليم الرشيد.
They said, O Shu'aib, does your worship require that we abandon what our fathers have been worshipping, or that we should not do with our wealth whatever we wish? You are indeed a gentle and sensible person.
قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي ورزقني منه رزقا حسنا وما أريد أن أخالفكم إلى ما أنهاكم عنه إن أريد إلا الإصلاح ما استطعت وما توفيقي إلا بالله عليه توكلت وإليه أنيب.
He said, O my people, have you considered, should I stand on a manifest proof from my Lord, who has provided me a good provision from himself? I do not wish to oppose you by what I forbid you. I only desire to put things in order, as far as I can, and my success lies only with Allah. In him I have put my trust, and to him I turn penitently.
وَيَا قَوْمِ لَا يَجْرِمَنَّكُمْ شِقَاقِي أَن يُصِيبَكُم مِّثْلُ مَا أَصَابَ قَوْمَ نُوحٍ أَوْ قَوْمَ هُودٍ أَوْ قَوْمَ صَالِحٍ وَمَا قَوْمُ لُوطٍ مِّنكُم بِبَعِيدٍ.
O my people, do not let your defiance toward me lead you to be visited by the like of what was visited on the people of Noah, or the people of Hud, or the people of Salih, and the people of Lut, are not distant from you.
وَاسْتَغْفِرُوا رَبَّكُمْ ثُمَّ تُوبُوا إِلَيْهِ إِنَّ رَبِّي رَحِيمٌ وَدُودٌ.
Plead with your Lord for forgiveness, then turn to him penitently. My Lord is indeed all merciful, all affectionate.
قالوا يا شعيب ما نفقه كثيرا مما تقول وإنا لنراك فينا ضعيفا ولولا رهطك لرجمناك وما أنت علينا بعزيز.
They said, O Shu'aib, we do not understand much of what you say. Indeed we see that you are weak amongst us, and were it not for your tribe, we would have stoned you, and you are not a formidable challenge for us.
قال يا قوم أرهطي أعز عليكم من الله واتخذتموه وراءكم ظهريا إن ربي بما تعملون محيط.
He said, O my people, is my tribe more formidable in your sight than Allah, to whom you pay no regard? Indeed my Lord comprehends whatever you do.
وَيَا قَوْمِ اعْمَلُوا عَلَى مَكَانَتِكُمْ إِنِّي عَامِلٌ سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ مَنْ يَأْتِيهِ عَذَابٌ يُخْزِيهِ وَمَنْ هُوَ كَاذِبٌ وَارْتَقِبُوا إِنِّي مَعَكُمْ رَقِيبٌ.
O my people, act according to your ability. I too am acting. Soon you will know who will be overtaken by a punishment that will disgrace him, and who is a liar. So be on the watch, I too will be watching along with you.
ولما جاء أمرنا نجينا شعيبا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا وأخذت الذين ظلموا الصيحة فأصبحوا في ديارهم جاثمين.
When our edict came, we delivered Shu'aib and the faithful who were with him by a mercy from us. And the cry seized those who were wrongdoers, whereat they lay lifeless prostrate in their homes.
كأن لم يغنوا فيها ألا بعدا لمدين كما بعدت ثمود.
As if they had never lived there. Behold, away with Midian. just as Tamud was done away with.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا مُوسَى بِآيَاتِنَا وَسُلْطَانٍ مُبِينٍ.
Certainly we sent Moses with our signs and a manifest authority.
إِلَى فِرْعَوْنَ وَمَلَئِهِ فَاتَّبَعُوا أَمْرَ فِرْعَوْنَ وَمَا أَمْرُ فِرْعَوْنَ بِرَشِيدٍ.
To Pharaoh and his elite, but they followed Pharaoh's dictates, and Pharaoh's dictates were not right-minded.
يقدم قومه يوم القيامة فأوردهم النار وبئس الورد المورود.
On the day of resurrection he will lead his people and conduct them into the fire, an evil goal for the incoming.
وأتبعوا في هذه لعنة ويوم القيامة بئس الرفد المرفود.
They are pursued by a curse in this world, as well as on the day of resurrection. Evil is the award conferred upon them.
ذلك من أنباء القرى نقصه عليك منها قائم وحصيد.
These are from the accounts of the townships, which we recount to you. Of them, there are some that still stand, and some that have been mown down.
وما ظلمناهم ولكن ظلموا أنفسهم فما أغنت عنهم آلهتهم التي يدعون من دون الله من شيء لما جاء أمر ربك وما زادوهم غير تتبيب.
We did not wrong them, but they wronged themselves. When your Lord's edict came, their gods whom they would invoke besides Allah were of no avail to them in any wise, and they did not increase them in anything but ruin.
وكذلك أخذ ربك إذا أخذ القرى وهي ظالمة إن أخذه أليم شديد.
Such is the seizing of your Lord when he seizes the townships that are wrongdoing. Indeed his seizing is painful and severe.
إن في ذلك لآية لمن خاف عذاب الآخرة ذلك يوم مجموع له الناس وذلك يوم مشهود.
There is indeed a sign in that for those who fear the punishment of the hereafter. That is a day on which all mankind will be gathered, and it is a day witnessed by all creatures.
وما نؤخره إلا لأجل معدود.
And we do not defer it but for a determinate term.
يوم يأتي لا تكلم نفس إلا بإذنه فمنهم شقي وسعيد.
The day it comes, no one shall speak except by his leave. On that day, some of them will be wretched and some felicitous.
فأما الذين شقوا ففي النار لهم فيها زفير وشهيق.
As for the wretched, they shall be in the fire, their lot therein will be groaning and wailing.
خالدين فيها ما دامت السماوات والأرض إلا ما شاء ربك إن ربك فعال لما يريد.
They shall remain in it for as long as the heavens and the earth endure, except what your Lord may wish. Indeed your Lord does whatever he desires.
وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ سُعِدُوا فَفِي الْجَنَّةِ خالدين فيها ما دامت السماوات والأرض إلا ما شاء ربك عطاء غير مجذوذ.
As for the felicitous, they will be in paradise. They will remain in it for as long as the heavens and the earth endure, except what your Lord may wish. An endless bounty.
فلا تك في مرية مما يعبد هؤلاء ما يعبدون إلا كما يعبد آباؤهم من قبل وَإِنَّا لَمُوَفُّوهُمْ نَصِيبَهُمْ غَيْرَ مَنْقُوصٍ.
So do not be in doubt about what these worship. They worship just as their fathers worshipped before, and we shall surely pay them their full share, undiminished.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى الْكِتَابَ فَاخْتُلِفَ فِيهِ ولولا كلمة سبقت من ربك لقضي بينهم وإنهم لفي شك منه مريب.
Certainly we gave Moses the book, but differences arose about it, and were it not for a prior decree of your Lord, a decision would have been made between them. Indeed they are in grave doubt concerning it.
وَإِنَّ كُلًّا لَّمَّا لَيُوَفِّيَنَّهُمْ رَبُّكَ أَعْمَالَهُمْ إِنَّهُ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ خَبِيرٌ.
Your Lord will indeed recompense everyone fully for their works. Indeed, He is well aware of what they do.
فاستقم كما أمرت ومن تاب معك ولا تطغوا إنه بما تعملون بصير.
So be steadfast, just as you have been commanded, you, and whoever has turned to Allah with you, and do not overstep the bounds. Indeed, He watches what you do.
ولا تركنوا إلى الذين ظلموا فتمسكم النار وما لكم من دون الله من أولياء ثم لا تنصرون.
Do not incline toward the wrongdoers, lest the fire should touch you, and you will not have any friend besides Allah. Then you will not be helped.
وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةَ طَرَفَيِ النَّهَارِ وَزُلَفًا مِّنَ اللَّيْلِ إِنَّ الْحَسَنَاتِ يُذْهِبْنَ السَّيِّئَاتِ ذَلِكَ ذِكْرَى لِلذَّاكِرِينَ.
Maintain the prayer at the two ends of the day, and during the early hours of the night. Indeed good deeds efface misdeeds. That is an admonition for the mindful.
واصبر فإن الله لا يضيع أجر المحسنين.
And be patient. Indeed Allah does not waste the reward of the virtuous.
فلولا كان من القرون من قبلكم أولو بقية ينهون عن الفساد في الأرض إلا قليلا ممن أنجينا منهم واتبع الذين ظلموا ما أترفوا فيه وكانوا مجرمين.
Why were there not among the generations before you a remnant of the wise, who might forbid corruption in the earth, except a few of those whom we delivered from among them? Those who were wrongdoers pursued that in which they had been granted affluence, and they were a guilty lot.
وما كان ربك ليهلك القرى بظلم وأهلها مصلحون.
Your Lord would never destroy the townships unjustly while their inhabitants were bringing about reform.
ولو شاء ربك لجعل الناس أمة واحدة ولا يزالون مختلفين.
Had your Lord wished, he would have made mankind one community, but they continue to differ.
إلا من رحم ربك ولذلك خلقهم وتمت كلمة ربك لأملأن جهنم من الجنة والناس أجمعين.
Except those on whom your Lord has mercy, and that is why he created them, and the word of your Lord has been fulfilled. I will surely fill hell with jinn and humans, all together.
وَكُلًّا نَقُصُّ عَلَيْكَ مِنْ أَنْبَاءِ الرُّسُلِ مَا نُثَبِّتُ بِهِ فُؤَادَكَ وَجَاءَكَ فِي هَذِهِ الْحَقُّ وَمَوْعِظَةٌ وَذِكْرَى لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
Whatever we relate to you of the accounts of the apostles are those by which we strengthen your heart. And there has come to you in this Surah, the truth and an advice and admonition for the faithful.
وَقُلْ لِلَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ اعْمَلُوا عَلَى مَكَانَتِكُمْ إِنَّا عَامِلُونَ.
Say to those who do not have faith, act according to your ability. We too are acting.
وَانْتَظِرُوا إِنَّا مُنْتَظِرُونَ.
And wait. We too are waiting.
وَلِلَّهِ غَيْبُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَإِلَيْهِ يُرْجَعُ الْأَمْرُ كُلُّهُ فَاعْبُدْهُ وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَيْهِ وَمَا رَبُّكَ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ.
To Allah belongs the unseen of the heavens and the earth, and to him all matters are returned. So worship him and trust in him. Your Lord is not oblivious of what you do.